Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to the racetrack. We got this all buttoned up back together as much as I can get it. I went out and did some testing today, just drove it around, and everything shifted good. Everything was working well, so excited, nervous, but we'll see what we can do tonight. Goal is a 10 all motor 10-second car. See you guys when we're unloaded. Anytime Alex comes, something breaks. I pulled it off the trailer and the axle came apart. We got it back together, and now we're getting ready to go up. Get in line, get tacked in. So see you in a minute. Hopefully it works. There we go. We're rolling again. We're rolling again. Teched in. I got Alex pushing me just so I ain't gotta start my car. Watching out for people's doors. But we're in line and gonna be going for that 10. We'll see what happens. Feeling confident right now. Hopefully I got some people here, so if anything happens, we'll be all right. I know what's going on with that axle, so I'm gonna try to remedy it. We'll see if it pops out from here to home. I think I might have fixed it, but we'll see. I definitely have to add in a spacer because it seems like the shaft is a little too short. That makes sense. You know, it's somebody custom ordered stuff and it's old. It's an old well kind of deal. That's what happens when you buy used stuff. Stuff's made for somebody else's car. Things happen, things change. But you see Bill has his Corrado up there, so I'm gonna be helping him out with a little bit on the tune. See if we can have at least two all motor cars ready for next week. Messing with the trigger voltage and the strain gauge, so this time instead of relying just on that, I'm gonna try to shift at $8,000 and hopefully we get a good pass. It's tough. I'm still confident though. The wheel just fell off of that S4. S10 is rolling down the side. That's gonna be some cleanup. You're done, bud. third gear, kicked out at the same RPM, 7,800. It's that, I feel like it's that, those dogs, they just aren't good because they're all the way inside. So it kicked out, and when it kicked out, it put me in the second gear and I money shifted. So that was sketchy. Yeah, but I think what I'm just gonna do now, third gear, I'm just gonna shift it to 77. As close as I get to 77, I'm just gonna shift. So we'll see how it goes. So I raised my launch RPM up because I keep bogging, and yeah, I'm just gonna try to shift earlier in third. It's really killed my mood, but trans is already in, it's already put together. I can't afford to buy another one, so I'm just gonna see if I can shift about 7,600. I'm gonna try to do it. It's tough. I mean, people think going in a straight line's easy, but there's a lot of shit coming on, going, yelling at you. It's a lot. So yeah, try my best. So same exact thing happened. 11.5. I don't even know what I just did. 11.5 at 121. It was nothing. I short shifted, kicked out of gear. Like 60 foot was terrible. It's just a mess. I don't know. 60 foot is its own thing, but I'm gonna think it over. No matter what, I'm still going to the races. But yeah, it's just it sucks. So see you guys in the next one.